Hello Mongolian learners and welcome back to MGL 123. It's been a long time, but I am back with a new video. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce the most difficult consonant in Mongolian, which is il. Previously I have made a video on how to pronounce letter il, but some of you have commented that you still find it difficult to pronounce. And it's no wonder because I realized that I threw you in at the deep end with all those tongue twisters and long word examples. So today I'm going to show you a simpler way, a new way of making the sound il. You don't have to look further. The secret lies within the English voiced and voiceless consonants that you already know how to pronounce. To feel the difference between these two groups of consonants, put your finger on your larynx and then pronounce these consonants. Z, zoo, s, soon. You should be able to feel a buzz against your finger when you pronounce the voiced consonant z. Whereas when you pronounce voiceless consonants like s, p, t, there's nothing happening behind your finger, it's just your breath passing up. There are few pairs of these voiced and voiceless consonants. B in bad, P in pack, D in medal, T in metal, G in glue, K in clue, J in lunge, Ch in lunch, J in beige, Sh in sheet, V in this, and Th in thin, V in very, F in find. Now, where am I going with this? If English letter L is a voiced consonant, then what would the voiceless version of L sound like? If V in very is a voiced version of F in find, then how would you pronounce the voiceless version of L? And here comes Mongolian letter il. Mongolian il is like the voiceless version of the English letter L. The way you pronounce Mongolian il is closest to English letter F. If you can pronounce letter F, then you can pronounce letter il. It's like you pronounce the English L, but in a voiceless way. The air is just passing through your mouth. Now, with that new information in mind, let's try pronouncing these Mongolian words with letter il. This time, I tried to pick short and easy words for you. Let's look at the one-syllable words first. Sa, sa. So, so, os, os, us, us, gas, gas, gos, gos, hos, hos, hus, hus. As, ast, ast, tas, tas, os, sads, sads, alts, alts, sanch, sanch, soil, soil, tuil, tuil, huls, huls. Now repeat these two-syllable words with me. Agil, agil, ilu, ilu, uyel, uyel, alaq, alaq, улаан, улаан, өглөө, өглөө, долоо, долоо лууван лууван туулай туулай халуун халуун дэлхий дэлхий Монгол Монгол англи англи. Finally, a few three-syllable words. Imlik imlik. Please keep in mind that this word imlik is one of the irregularly pronounced words in Mongolian. We don't pronounce it as it is written, like imlik, but we say imlik. The two letters in the middle are totally silent. So it's almost a two-syllable word in terms of pronunciation. Imlik imlik. Солонго солонго улирал улирал. And finally, баярлаа баярлаа with double il. I hope this video helped you understand how to make the sound il. It's the voiceless version of the English letter L. Il. L. Il. Feel free to come back to this lesson and practice again several times. Each time you do it, it will get a bit easier. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe for more videos and consider supporting this channel on Patreon. It would mean the world. Дараагийн хичээлд хүртэл баярлалаа.